Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to use Aura Creator. So the Aura Creator is a unique software. So using Aura Creator you can able to create your own RGB lighting effects. So apart from Armory Create software, so in the Armory Create software you can able to only use a preset of a lighting effects, but in the Aura Creator you can able to create your own lighting effects, so as per your idea. So now in this video I'm going to share you how to use Aura Creator, and for using Aura Creator I am using this device. So this is the Asus Tuf Gaming K1 model keyboard. So this is a gaming keyboard, and one more thing is that on using Aura Creator, so there is certain things like so only for a specific device only the Aura Creator will actually support it. So in case if you want to use Aura Creator software means, so what device you are going to use means, so that device want to be supported with the Aura Creator software. So I have given a link in the description. So in the link you can able to find out so what are all the devices is actually supported for the Aura Creator software. So now these are all the Aura Creator devices which are supported with the Aura Creator software, and as well as for the Aura Sync compatibility. So for motherboards, all Aura Sync compatible motherboards will be supported, and for each devices here all the models will be listed like graphics card, laptops, keyboards. So I am using in the keyboard section I am using the Asus Tuf Gaming K1 keyboard. So this is that Asus Tuf Gaming K1 keyboard. So like that, in case if you want to use Aura Creator software means, so first of all let's check in this device list and whether your device is available in this list or not. So because the Aura Creator is not supported for all the devices, only for the listed devices only, so the software will be supported. And also I have given the download link for the Aura Creator software. So you can easily download the software using this link. So I have given both the link in the description, you can check out. So now after installing the Aura Creator software, now just open the software. So now this is how the Aura Creator software will actually looks like. So now after that, so once you open the software, first of all let's clarify so all the different options. So first here is the options effects and sync with. So these are all the two effects. So once you click on this effects, so here is all the list of effects has been available. So you have already seen these effects in the Armory Create software. So it's the same effects only. The one thing difference between the Armory Create and this Aura Creator software is that in the Armory Create you can able to only use a set of effects. Like for example, you can only use static or breathing at a single time only. And using Aura Creator, you can able to collage all these effects into a one effect. For example, you can able to combine all these effects and you can save that effects as a single effect. And once you set that particular effect, all these different lighting effects will be available in that particular effect itself. Like that, you can able to create your own effects in your style. And next, here is a timeline pattern. So as well as so it is almost similar to Photoshop editing or like video editing software like that. So all the layers will be actually available here. And then so here is the device section. So what is the device you are actually connecting, so that supportable devices will be shown here. And once click on the PC components, so here all the list of PC components will be available. So using PC components also you can do. So by default all the Asus Tuf or ROG based. So in case if your motherboard is supported the Aura Sync support means, so that motherboard will be supported. So using that motherboard also you can able to create your own RGB lighting effects. So and I am also using a graphics card. It is a RTX 3060 graphics card, but the RTX 3060 is not supported with the Aura Creator, so I can't able to use that, but I can able to use the Aura Creator. But now we are going to use this keyboard. So using this keyboard I am going to show you how to use, and as well as this keyboard is supported with the multiple lighting effects features. So like for example, so now it is actually having a same color pattern. So we can able to set a different color pattern for each section. Like for example, it has a 5 different grouping. So for this group one set of color pattern, for this set one set of color effects, like that we can able to set. So let's do all this in the upcoming. And after that, so here is a save and apply, and here is the settings option. So once you click the settings option, so here is the update. So in case if there is any update means, so you can update the application, and in case if you are having some of the devices component, means all the devices will be listed here. So you have to update the devices also. In case if any device has an update, means you want to update, then only it will be properly work. And then in the about section, so there is no more else, and after that just to go back, and here is the option profile section. So you can able to create a different lighting effects, and you can save that in a different profiles. So after that you can just click on that any profile like that. So I have already created two different profiles, and then here is the menu option. So here is the option create new. So in case if you want to create a new profile, means you can use this option, and also you can export all the created lighting effects. And again, in case if you are uninstalling the Aura Creator, again if you are reinstalling, means so during that time you can able to import all the previously created lighting effects, in case if you are already, in case if you are exported beforely, means. So now these are all the things. So now once you have actually connected the right proper device, after that to enable the device here, so here is the option available devices, just click on that, and all the available devices will be shown here. And here is the Asus Tuf Gaming K1. So just tick mark this and click on the OK. Now the keyboard is actually shown here. So here is a totally 5 different partition. For all these 5 different partition, I can able to set a different RGB lighting pattern as per my wish. Now I am first of all selecting this one. So once you select a particular area, and after that here is the option set as layer. So you have to click on this. So once you click on this set as layer, a layer 1 will be created at the bottom of this timeline. So after that, so here is some of the different lighting effects. So you can choose any effects as per your wish. So for this area, so this area, so I am set up a breathing. I am just drag and just put it here, so like that. So I am set a breathing for this layer 1, and just to click on the second portion, and again click on the set as layer. So in this layer, in case for this pattern, for example for this set of keys, which lighting effects you want, you can select as per your wish. I am selecting rainbow effect. So and that's it. So once you selected a particular effect, on the right side you will see all the different additional parameters, like which pattern of lighting effects you need, and how much speed, and what is the angle, and special effects you need, means so that, and random colors. So like that more additional parameters will be available. So similarly for breathing also, once you set here, so here is a lighting effects. So in case I am click the random, means so I am increase the speed also. And after that the next third part of the keys in the keyboard, so again I am clicking that and click on the set as layer. So and after that for this I am clicking the select, for this I am selecting the option color cycle. So and that's it. And for color cycle only we have a speed parameter, so I am increasing the speed parameter for this part of keys. So again I am clicking here and click on the set as layer. So like that you can just a simple process, just click on that particular device part, and after that click on the set as layer, and then what effects you need, just hold and drag and drop it in the layer. So in the layer 4, means here, like that. So like that you can create a unique lighting effects pattern as per your wish. So totally this keyboard has here 5 different partition. So we have created here 5 different layers. So and that's it. Now here is the option called so play, and like that. So just to click on the play. So once I am click on the play, so this lighting effects pattern will be effective on the keyboard. So now I'm just clicking on this play. So as you've seen here, so in the keyboard, so the lighting effects pattern is actually visible. So here is that. So for each section you will see a different so all this lighting pattern we have recently set it. So that's it. So after doing all these things, now here is the option save and apply. Just click on that, and now it actually asks for the file name. So now I am just giving the file name. So I'm just to give the RGB and click on the save option. So once I am saved that, so it will be automatically saved and applied. And here is that all the profiles. So we have already created two different profiles. Now the RGB profile is also selected. So in the keyboard section, so here is now we have actually created these new lighting effects. So as you see here for this part, so for different set of lighting effects, so this part different set of lighting effects, so this part and this part of keys and this part of keys. So like that you can able to customize the RGB lighting effects as per your wish using the Aura Creator software. But for using the Aura Creator software, you need a supportable devices. So that's the important thing. So once you've actually done that, and that's it. And one more thing is that so here is the profile section. So we have totally created 3 profiles. In case if you want other RGB lighting effects, means I have already created these effects. So I am just clicking on that. So once I am click on that and click on the save and apply, so now the lighting effects has been changed. So this is the lighting effects I have created previously. So that lighting effects is this. So like that you can change the lighting effects as per your wish. Now I am again changing to this RGB lighting effects. So I am really like this lighting effects. So like that you can change the lighting effects for your device as per your wish. It's a simple process. So you can also create a variable lighting effects as per your wish. You can also select more thing also. For example, so along with the strobing, I am adding the rainbow effects. So like that you can add different effects also. So not only the single effect, you can add multiple effects for each layer also. So that is the possible thing. You can add multiple layers. So after that I am just clicking on the save and apply. So once I am done that, so you will get the multiple lighting effects. So like this. So different lighting effects will be actually shown. So as you see in here, so like this different lighting effects. And one more thing I want to share is that in case if you want a good lighting effects means, so in the layers you want to select a common number of lighting effects for all the layers. For example, for layer 5 I am choosing a 3 lighting effects, means for all the layers give the 3 lighting effects. In case if you give so for layer 5 if I am giving 3 lighting effects, and for layer 1 I am giving only 1 lighting effects, means so during while you are actually viewing in the devices, for some time you will not get that lighting effects. So here is sometime you will not get the lighting effect, so the lights will actually goes off. So to overcome this issue, so you have to give the common number of lighting effects for all the layers. So here is that. So I am now selecting totally of 3 different lighting effects for all the layers for this keyboard. So in the from the layer 1 to layer 5, so I have selected totally for I have selected 3 different lighting effects for each layers. So after that, now I'm just click on the save and apply. So now as you see in here, so you will get the lighting effects in your devices continuously. So there is no more light dropping like that. And one more thing is that all the lighting effects is actually going. So as you see in here, so different types of lighting is actually going. So it is one of the best way you can able to create or customize the RGB lighting effects as per your wish. So in your own style. So that is the use case of this Aura Creator software. So you can able to do this only by using this Aura Creator software only. And so for using the Aura Creator software, so the device should be supported. So that is also one more thing. So I have given the link in the description. So using that link you can able to find out so what are all the devices are supported with the Aura Creator software and the Aura Sync supportable devices like that. And also you can able to manage this using the Armory Create software also. Just to open the Armory Create software, and after that inside the Armory Create software, so just to go to the Aura effects, and so here is the advanced effects section, and here it's actually selected with the RGB. In case if you want to change, means here also you can able to change. And one more thing is that in the Armory Create software, the Aura Sync, so the in the sync devices, the particular device should be enabled in the Aura Sync, then only it will be actually work properly. So well, now that's it for today's video guys, and hopefully if you guys like this video, hit the like button, and if you guys like to watch my upcoming videos, hit the subscribe button below. And thanks for watching this video guys.